the SanDisk Extreme Plus Micro SD trademarked card with extreme capture, transfer, and app speeds at an A2 speed for faster app loading and performance, ladies and gentlemen. I got myself the 4K UHD capable 512 gigabyte with 170 megabytes per second. Upload 90 write. I am super excited. Shout out SanDisk. I'm looking for a partnership maybe in the future. And as you can tell, this is perfect for an action camera. And I am ready with the action. What up? I just want to go pick this up. I am super excited. You won't believe it right now, but I am. A little fly. Anyways, let's get into this little unboxing. Shout out Best Buy Curbside, by the way, out in California. Thought it was a beast. It's got plastic in it. I gotta use some scissors.